Hello children, good morning. Sit straight in your chairs, join your hands and let's start the prayer. Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanura Mardanam Devaki Parmanandam Krishnam Vande Jagat Gurum Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanura Mardanam Devaki Parmanandam Krishnam Vande Jagat Gurum. Good morning children, welcome to your English grammar class. Today's date is 17/2/2021. 17th February 2021. Day is Wednesday. We are doing chapter 16 from English grammar. The name of the chapter is on, in, under and over. On, in, under and over are called prepositions. Please open page number 91. In this page, we have this exercise B. Match the columns. Look at this exercise, children. You have two columns here and what you need to do is match the following. So one side you have incomplete sentences and you have half sentence on one side and another half sentence on the other side. So you have to match the sentences in column A with sentences in column B to make meaningful sentence. Okay. So let's get started, children. Number 1. The plane flew. The plane flew where? Over the houses. The plane flew over the houses. Match 1 with B. The plane flew over the houses. The plane flew over the houses. Second one. The old man is resting. The old man is resting under a tree. The old man is resting under a tree. Okay. What's next? In the cupboard. It cannot be in the cupboard. Old man is resting. The old man is taking rest. Where? Under a tree. Okay. Let's check the other sentence also. In the cupboard? No. In the basket? No. On my finger? On the tree? No, old man cannot rest on the tree. How can he climb the tree and rest there? So it is not on the tree. He in the bag? No. So this is the right answer. The old man is resting under a tree. Third one. The fruits are. The fruits are in the cupboard? No, we don't put fruits in cupboard. In the basket? Yes. But let us check the rest also. On my finger? No. On the tree? The fruits are on the tree. The fruits are in the bag. The fruits are. Let's see. Okay, first let us match. The fruits are in the basket. And let's see whether we are right or wrong. Okay, we need to check. The fruits are in the basket. Then number 4. Birds are sitting. Yeah. Birds are sitting in the cupboard? No. On my finger? No. On the tree? Yes. Birds are sitting on the tree. So this is right. The fruits are in the basket. Birds are sitting on the tree. Number 5. I kept my lunch box. I kept my lunch box in the cupboard. No, why do we put lunch box in cupboard? On my finger? No. In the bag? Yes. I put my lunch box in the bag. Number 5 with G. I put my lunch box in the bag. She kept her notebooks. She kept her notebooks in the cupboard? Yes. She kept her notebooks in the cupboard. Then we are left with only one. I wear a ring. I wear a ring on my finger. I wear a ring on my finger. So wear a ring on my finger. That's it. Let's check once again, children. The plane flew over the houses. Yes. The old man is resting under a tree. Yes. The fruits are in the basket. Okay. Birds are sitting on the tree. Okay. I kept my lunch box in the bag. Yes, this is right. She kept her notebooks in the cupboard. Yes, we keep notebooks in cupboard. I wear a ring on my finger. Yes. Done. So please finish this, children. Page number 91, you have this match the following. Please finish this. Now, we will do one more exercise. Page number 92 now. Page number 92. Okay. Exercise C. Look at the pictures and answer these questions. Just give me a minute, children. I will clear the board. Look at this exercise, children. Exercise C, which is on page number 92. Look at the picture and answer the questions. Look at the picture. What is the first picture, children? Where are the fruits? Where are the fruits? The fruits are on the table. The fruits are on the table. So just write on the table. You have little space provided under the question. Put A answer and just write on the table. Where are the fruits? On the table. Right there, on the table. On the table. Table. Full stop. Where are the fruits? On the table. Where are the vegetables? Where are the vegetables? Second question. Where are the vegetables? In the basket. In the basket. Right there. In the basket. INN-the BASKET. Basket. In the basket. The vegetables are in the basket. Third question. Where are the books? Where are the books? They are in the shelf. Books are in the shelf. The books are in the shelf. Just write in the shelf. 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 The books are in the shelf. The books are in the shelf. Fourth one. Where is the dog sleeping? Look at the picture. Where is the dog sleeping? Under the tree. The dog is sleeping under the tree. So just write under the tree. Where is the dog sleeping? Under the tree. UNDER. Under the TRE tree. Under the tree. Next. Last question. Where is the umbrella? Where is the umbrella? Over the head. Where is the umbrella? Over the head. Just write over the head. Over the head. You don't have to write full sentence. The umbrella is over the child's head. Don't write that much. Just write over the head. The child held the umbrella over his or her head. So just write over the head. That's all. So where are the fruits? On the table. Look at the picture. Without looking at the picture, you will not be able to answer these questions. Look at the picture and then tell the position. Where are the fruits? On the table. Where are the vegetables? In the basket. Where are the books? In the shelf. Where is the dog sleeping? Under the tree. And where is the umbrella? Over the head. Where is the umbrella? Over the head. It is covering the entire head. So it is over the head. So shall we do exercise D also? Correct these sentences. You don't have to write the whole sentence once again. He is just asking to correct the sentences. He is not asking to rewrite the sentences. So just wherever there is a mistake, just underline and write the right answer above. That's all. Or wherever you have place. Just a second, children. Look at this exercise, children. Correct these sentences. Correct these sentences. Here sentences are given and we need to correct these sentences because there is a mistake in the sentence. So mistake is there in a preposition. So check the preposition. We need to check prepositions. Okay, prepositions are on, in, under and over. So let's check the mistake and correct it. Number 1. I keep my marbles over a bag. I keep my marbles over a bag. So correct these sentences. So mistake is there in preposition only. Okay, because we are doing chapter about prepositions. Okay, so here over is preposition, right? So underline over. So if this is wrong, over shouldn't come here. If this is wrong, then what should be the right answer? I keep my marbles dash a bag. If it is not over a bag, then what should it be? I keep my marbles in a bag. It should be keep my marbles in a bag. Write there in. If you don't have sufficient place here to write, you can write here also. Underline it and write in here. Okay. You can write like this, children. So what are marbles? Children, I'll show you picture of marbles. 1 second. See. These are marbles. Are you able to see this? See, these are marbles. These round ones. These are called marbles. Okay. So I keep my marbles in a bag. You see? Right sentence. Second one. Nancy is under the bedroom. Nancy is under the bedroom. So here under is preposition. So there is some mistake here. So what should be the right answer? Nancy is under the bedroom? No. Then in the bedroom. Nancy is in the bedroom. Because bedroom has all walls. So we go inside bedroom. Right? So it is in the bedroom. Nancy is in the bedroom. She is in the bedroom. Bedroom is not open area. It is a closed area. So write in the bedroom. Third one. The castle is in the hills. The castle is in the hills. So first identify the preposition in. Okay. So there is some mistake here. First understand the sentence. The castle is in the hills. What is castle? Castle is a royal place where king and queen and prince, princess, all these people live. Okay. So the castle is in the hills. In is wrong. So what should be the right answer? Castle is on the hills. The castle is on the hills. Fourth one. The dustbin is on the sink. The dustbin is on the sink? No. Where usually mom puts dustbin? She puts under the sink. Right? So if this is the sink where she's washing the vessels, then dustbin will be here, down. Okay, so it under the sink. The dustbin is under the sink. So it is not on the sink. We don't put it on the sink. We put under the sink. Right here, U-N-D-E-R, under. Number 5. The library is in the 4th floor. First identify preposition here. Where is the preposition? In is preposition, right? So there is some mistake here. That is why he is asking us to correct these sentences. So library is in the 4th floor? No. So library is on the 4th floor. Okay. First ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor, 4th floor. The library is on the 4th floor. On. The library is on the 4th floor. 6th one. I placed the vase over the table. Do you understand this? I placed the vase over the table. First identify preposition. On, in, under and over are prepositions. So over is here. There is some mistake here. Okay. I placed the vase. You know vase? Flower vase. Where? Over the table. How can we place it over the table? I placed it on the table. Okay. We put a flower vase on the table. So over is wrong here. Right here. On. O-N on. I place the vase on the table. 7th one. The fan is under the head. Preposition is here under. Underline it. The fan is under the head. Then the fan, where is the fan? Look up. It is over the head. Okay, write over. O-V-E-R. Over. It is not even on the head. Don't write on the head. It is not on the head. It is over. Then 8th. Keep your bag in the chair. First identify the preposition. Keep your bag in the chair. Yes, in is preposition. What is wrong with this? Keep your bag in the chair. Why in the chair? Chair, flat surface. If your chair is flat surface, then keep your bag on the chair. On the chair. Keep your bag on the chair. After this, let me write the remaining. Look at this, student. Number 9. My aunt lives on New York. So underline the preposition. This preposition is wrong. What should be the right answer? My aunt lives on the New York. No, New York is a place. So my aunt lives in New York. I-N. My aunt lives in New York. Then the cat hid. The cat hid on the table. Hid is nothing but hiding. Okay? Hide. Hid. The cat hid on the table. So identify the preposition on. So there is something wrong with this. You cannot hide on the table. You have to hide under the table. Okay? So the cat hid under the table. Under. U-N-D-R. Under the table. Number 11. Keep the lunch box in the table. First identify the preposition in. Keep the lunch box in the table. Why in the table? Table has flat surface. So keep the lunch box on the table. You can put it on the table. Why in the table? So on. O-N on the table. Last one. 4 of us slept over the bed. So preposition is over here and this is wrong. 4 of us. 4 of us slept over the bed. Why over the bed? On the bed. 4 of us slept on the bed. So this is how you need to complete this exercise. First read the sentence, understand the meaning, identify the wrong preposition and correct the preposition there. So please finish this, student, page number 91 and 92. That's all for today, children. See you in EVS class. Bye-bye.